Hey everyone, today we're checking out the JJunLiM Air Fryer Basket set, designed for the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This set includes three 16.5-inch stainless steel mesh baskets made from food-grade 304 stainless steel that's BPA-free and FDA compliant. These baskets are heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing warping and deformation during cooking. They feature a non-stick surface that makes cleanup super easy, and they're dishwasher safe to save you time. Plus, the set comes with two silicone heat-resistant mitts, rated to protect your hands up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for cooking everything from crispy bacon and French fries to shrimp and vegetables, these baskets help you get the most out of your oven. If you want reliable, versatile kitchen accessories, this air fryer basket set is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.